Hi, my name is Landon Chandler and I work for U of I Extension. I am the community worker for Perry and Randolph County, and I am here in our community center here in Pinckneyville. And today we're going to try out our layered bean dip recipe. I hope you guys enjoy. Before we begin our recipe, it's important that we wash our hands. We need to wash our hands for 20 seconds with warm water and soap. Next, we need to make sure we rinse our beans. So after you get our beans out of the can, we need to use a strainer, wash them off thoroughly, and then place them in a bowl. After that, we'll begin mashing our beans using a spoon or fork. Now we need to add our taco sauce. We need 1/4 cup of taco sauce and then 1 teaspoon of chili powder. We need to mix well and make sure our mixture is blended together. Then we need to spread evenly on a shallow dish. Then we'll use 1 cup of shredded reduced fat cheese to spread evenly on top of our beans. Next, you could add optional items like lettuce and tomatoes. First, we will sprinkle our lettuce on top of our cheese. Then we will dice up our tomato and add that on top of the lettuce. Alright guys, here's what the end product looks like. This is our layered bean dip, and I hope you guys enjoy. If you'd like to check out our recipe, go to eatmovesave.extension.illinois.edu.